Hello. As promised, I'm now going to show you how to use your super tokens during real time. First thing we will do is we need to go into real time. So from the main menu, click on your real time icon. Make sure the mode is set to real time and give it a file name. So I'm going to call this RT tutorial and connect. Make sure your writer is on and follow the directions for whatever writer you're using. And you should now be in your real-time screen. The next thing that you need to do, and when you go to a real-time job and you get there a little early, I would get right into your real-time screen. You're going to click on the icon up here that says Tokens Dictionary. Here are all my tokens that we created in the previous segment under Super Token Creation. So today I've got two attorneys. I'm going to select this one by clicking on it. Notice it puts the name up here, and the name is already highlighted. So that all I need to do at this point is change the name and depress my enter key on my keyboard. My second attorney is going to be today. And again, I now have my second attorney changed. Now, when I start doing real time and I do SNU Q, I get by Mr. Williamson, and let's say we had colloquy from the other attorney. So as you can see, everything is set up the way I need it to be set up. I got by Mr. Williamson, state your name, answer Kathy Logan. If I could write on the machine, it would be a wonderful thing. Colloquy by Mrs. Johnston. Now, let's say your attorneys change. You're there to take two deps, or you've got a few seconds during court. What you're going to do is quickly click here, change the person, enter, do your second person, hit enter, and when they're ready to go again, you're going to start writing and you get the new person. Okay? So that's really all there is to using this. You see, what I'm trying to say is that if you get all of your attorneys set up, however many you're using, and you set them here, all you need to do before each real-time job is to highlight the name, type it in, hit enter, go to the next one, do the same thing. Now, this screen, you have a place where it says stay on top. You may want to put a check mark here and move it. You can move this from position to a place where it's not going to be in your way, but it will be open all the time. The other thing you can do is you can make this window translucent, which will allow you to see what's underneath it. In case you move it over too far, you can still see your scroll bar and so on. So you have a couple choices: keep it on top and keep it translucent, and that is a very nice feature. All right, that's all there is to this. Now, in the next segment, I'm going to show you how to set up for real time, how to select your case names, and so on, so that and the use of job dictionaries. So please join me in how to set up for real time. Be back in a moment.